In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to spin clans in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change your spin clans in Jujutsu Chronicles. First, to find the NPC who is going to be able to spin clans for you, you have to go over to Miyashi Park. So this is going to be the default spawn location, but I'm still gonna reset my character just to show you the process from the beginning. So when you sign into Jujutsu Chronicles, just make sure that you spawn on Yashi Park. Once you are here, go over to these two signs and keep going forward. You will be able to go forward and eventually turn to the left once you see this set of stairs, and you will be able to find these two NPCs here. So first you have Cursed, Technique Swap, and as the name suggests, you will be able to spin to get any of these techniques displayed at the right side of the screen. Now, if you talk to this NPC, this is going to be the clan swap, which is what we're looking for, the focus of this video. So, talk to them, and immediately, this is what they have to say. I'm the clan negotiator. Sometimes sorcerers wish to switch families, and I handle the negotiations. Want to join a different family, and all that you have to do is spin. So, you have a set amount of spins that you can get through codes and other objectives. For this video, as you can see, I have 50 on me and I'm going to be using some of them to display this process, but you can also purchase them by clicking these buttons and they cost Robux. You can see the chances at the right side of the screen, so you have the mythical ones, legendary ones, rare and common, and immediately upon clicking spin, one of them will be used and the one that you get will be displayed. So as you can see, I got one of the common ones. And you can keep spinning as much as you want. You will be able to see your current clan by going over to your player information, and it is going to be displayed here, as you can see. So this is all you have to do. Talk to this NPC located at Miyashi Park. Make sure to always look for codes, which is something that I'm not really going to talk about in this video, and you will be able to accumulate spin clans. I hope I was able to help you on how to spin clan in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.